Please, man, nobody will do it.
Nobody will
Come give him a job. Please turn around.
Then you do your job if you don't do your job. Look here, let me go.
From your point of view, your perspective, your experience, do you believe that the government should stop the state of emergency, or do you think that it should be continued over into 2019 or even further?
Turn up the state of emergency somewhere in Mobile. Turn it up, loud. Well, me feel say, well, if it continue, you know, you see me? Cause less crime and violence in our place, you know? I don't understand what they talk about stop it. If it continue, full 100.
Well, I think it should continue because I have seen a great result.
Yes, 80%.
Since it has started, there's a lot of changes there. You used to hear a lot of gunshots in the community, but now it's a whole lot different. Less crime, all of that, so I think it should continue.
So, as a person who's not really in depth with politics, what I notice is that the state of emergency, it actually, when it was placed, it has more shock value than actual long period value. Like you can notice, like in the couple, I don't want to say days, but a short period of time after it's been set, there you can notice there's a clear reinforcement on what justice is supposed to be, on how it's carried out. But over time, it just gets comfortable, it just gets stagnant. So then you start to see these tendencies of like crime and other illegal actions keep occurring. So if you extend it, with extension, there needs to be more action to compensate for that. So if you just stop the action immediately and extend it, there's not really a difference. So that's all I gotta say.
They should continue as long as ever. Cut down the crime rate.
State of emergency, me make more money since it a go on. It fear happen. It fear going in every crevice and corner. Big up Andrew, put it on again. Send it until about July next year.
Police are right now, same on the state of emergency. Man, they right beside them. Then tomorrow they come out like they're gonna work. I like them everywhere. Right? After 1 week, you know, see them all on the way again. Till somebody dead again. So don't tell me now where the state of emergency there.
Right now, is it a man to go be? When you come on to save your life, state of emergency alone do that. As long as be there, so at that message.
You better live because there's a waste taxpayer money for nothing at all. Me do my work and make my money for pay my bills and carry me to go to school. Police are coming to lock off my bills. He might get steady pay.
We feel safe, man, and we are taxi man and bus man right now. We safe, man, when we know than the go down, man, because we know that the soldier and police them are top with. And anybody in there they suspect them, take them out. So, me think if we continue, man.
Then if we discontinue, I don't really fight against you know. But if you find a different way and a different method of fighting crime, then you can still have them stop point and everything.
Long time I say continue it because the people them want living in some ugly area. Them say better for them. Them can live in peace, so why not continue?
Continue. You want to ask me why?
Why?
It has saved life. It has saved love, life. Guarantee. Remember me tell you?
Well, honestly, at this time, I want it to stop.
You know, a lot of crime cut down since they are out there. So I enjoy what's going on. We can walk in a peace now.
Yes, somewhat. It has helped, but not as it should. There is still violence around. There's still a lot that should be done. So it should be continued. I think the police should step up their game.
You feel say the opposition should be opposing against the continuation of the state of emergency?
No, the opposition is opposition, you know, and they only can oppose, you know. But I think they might oppose the wrong thing at this time. I think they're supposed to check them facts before them oppose again. Because them have all right to oppose, but them should never oppose it. The only thing you can do is an enhanced life-saving method. And this is one of the best life-saving methods since sliced bread.
I don't know why the opposition oppose. I don't know what they have in mind. They must have see something different from what we just see. But right now the people say state of emergency.
You know, a brain and so bright. You know, an idiot.
Are you the aggressive?
Yeah, the voice of the street, Bobo Touch, you know, DJ Bobo, me operate from Ochi to Mobile, yeah.
Follow me at Dime Doll on Instagram.
Yo, Bling Boy Hippie on Instagram, alright? Bling Gang for life. Free Flacco, bro.
Make sure
you subscribe.